As I've been saying all along, using subtle textures and varying up your marks is much more effective than using, over the top heavy-handed textures and using the same kind of brush stroke all the way throughout your painting. And I want you to think about that for this last step. So I'm going to go in now and just add a hint of light throughout this painting, but I want to be really, really subtle about it. I'm going to add a sunrise glow in the back, but it has to be quite a light touch, nothing heavy. So what I'm going to do is add a new layer, and then with a very simple default brush, the big soft round brush, I'm going to add the slightest touch of color. Literally, that's all. I just, I want to add more. I would love to go a bit wild with this sunrise sky, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to rein it in and just leave it at that. I think that's enough. Next up, I'm going to select the shape of the mountain, and I want to add some random textures and also give it a bit more of that soft glow color. What this is doing is it's giving that all-important atmospheric perspective. What I mean by that is that the idea or the concept that things which are further away have more air or more sky in between them, in between you and them, and so they have much less contrast and much less saturation. My very last touch now is going to be just one sweep of texture across the middle ground, just like that. And I think I am going to step back for the moment and just leave this painting now. I think that's it. I'm going to actually let you continue with this if you like. I would love to see your final painting, and I'd love to see if you add any more elements from here on out. I mean, you could go ahead and add in the boat that we did in the layout drawing. You can put that in and paint it up, or you could even add in extra weapons, maybe something like a wagon or a cart. There's a lot of things that you could still add in, and I'd love to now hand it over to you and see what you can come up with and what you can paint based on all of the steps and the process that we've covered so far. When you're ready, please post your finished work into the project section or the Q&A section so that we can all be inspired by your vision. I really hope that you learned a lot in this class. I want to thank you for taking this journey with me. I'm honoured to offer you my perspective really on things, and I really sincerely hope that this helps you in your art career, and that one day soon you can show your portfolio to an animation studio and get hired as a background artist. That would be amazing. Please stay in touch with me, send me a message and let me know how you get on, and always know that I'm here to answer any questions that you have. So thanks again for being here, and thanks for your contribution to this class. I will look out for you in the project section, and I hope to see you in the next class as well.